Hello, everyone. Do you ever wake up feeling tired, catch colds frequently, or experience bone and muscle aches? If so, you might be among the many people struggling with vitamin D deficiency. Most people think of sunlight when it comes to vitamin D, but here's the catch: it's often not enough, especially in area with its heavy air pollution and indoor lifestyles. Sunlight alone falls short. But here's the surprising truth: there are methods far more effective and reliable than sunlight. Watch this video to the end, and you'll learn 5 scientifically proven ways to normalize your vitamin D levels. Plus, I'll reveal a shocking truth about vitamin D that most people don't know. So, let's start with the first method. First, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with significant vitamin D. Just 100 grams of salmon can provide nearly your daily recommended intake, sometimes more effective than sun exposure. Here's a key point. Did you know farmed and wild salmon differ greatly in vitamin D content? Wild salmon has much higher levels because it feeds on vitamin D-rich, smaller fish. Second, mushrooms. Surprisingly, shiitake and maitake mushrooms contain vitamin D. Here's the amazing part: studies show drying them in sunlight for just 30 minutes can dramatically boost their vitamin D content. This happens because ergosterol in mushrooms converts to vitamin D under UV light. Third, egg yolks, but it's not that simple. Regular eggs, free-range eggs, and eggs from chickens fed vitamin D-enriched feed vary widely in content. Free-range yolks have more vitamin D than regular ones, and fortified feed eggs can have even higher levels. Fourth, fortified foods. Products like milk, cereal, and orange juice are often enriched with vitamin D. In the U.S., nearly all milk is fortified. Fifth, supplements, but with a twist. There are 2 types, D2 and D3, with D3 being more effective at raising blood levels. Here's a lesser-known fact. As a fat-soluble vitamin, D3 absorbs best with fatty foods. Taking it on an empty stomach cuts absorption significantly. But here's a critical insight: some people see no benefit from supplements, even in high doses. The reason? Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is essential to activate vitamin D, and without it, even large amounts won't work properly. Research shows groups supplementing both magnesium and vitamin D outperformed those taking D alone. Consider magnesium alongside your D intake. Another key point: vitamin D isn't just for bones. Recent studies link it to immune strength, cardiovascular health, and even mood improvement. Research suggests winter blues or seasonal depression may tie to low levels. One last vital tip: vitamin D levels vary individually, so get a blood test to check yours. A vitamin D level above 20 reduces deficiency risk, with 30 being optimal. Caution: overdosing can cause side effects like irregular heartbeats or kidney stones. Stick to consistent, appropriate doses rather than overloading. By practicing these 5 methods, you can boost vitamin D without relying on sunlight. Remember, 2 core tips: pair with magnesium and take with fat. Don't delay, start today. Given individual differences, consulting a doctor for a tailored approach is the safest bet. If this helped your health journey, please like and subscribe. Share your experiences in the comments. See you next time.